Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your text-based social media posts into scroll-stopping videos using RenderLion's post-to-video converter. First things first, log in or sign up at RenderLion, then head over to the post-to-video converter. You can click on Convert my post to video, or do it the way I prefer, just go straight to Content to Video from the top header menu. Super easy. Now it's time to paste in your social media post. In my example, I used a reflective post about how much life has shifted, how we talk, work, even disconnect. It's not just about tech or trends, it feels like something deeper has changed. That kind of thought-provoking content works great with RenderLion. You can write your own post, or copy one from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere. Just make sure it has meaning or emotion. Once your text is added, hit the Generate button and let the magic begin. RenderLion's AI instantly analyzes your content, creates a voiceover script, designs the slides, and builds your video. And boom, less than a minute later, I've got my first animated previews ready to go. Now it's time to choose a style. I picked one of my saved brand styles. It keeps everything aligned with my brand identity, colors, fonts, name, logo, and more. If you haven't created a brand kit yet, no worries. Just let RenderLion pick a random style for you. As you can see, my yellow-themed branding has been applied beautifully across the preview, logo, avatar, and all. Next, I hit the sound button and selected a classic background track. But you can always let the AI choose one for you if you're not sure what fits. Then I clicked Edit Content to make a few tweaks. You can add or swap the animation photos. Change the voice to male or female. I did. Update the voice script. Edit the text on each slide. Once you're done, hit Update and watch your preview adjust in real time. It's that quick. And remember, RenderLion automatically generates your video in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. For this example, I'm keeping it square, perfect for Instagram and feed posts. Now let's unlock the real magic. Click New Instant Hunt, and RenderLion instantly creates a brand new set of animated previews in less than a second. Hover over each one to preview the animation. If something stands out, click Save, and it'll be waiting in your My Videos section. This feature is like a creative slot machine. Every click brings new visuals, transitions, and animations, all styled to match your brand. I seriously love this process. It's mind-blowing how many variations RenderLion can generate, even within the same brand theme. Okay, this one right here, I'm loving it. Time to stop the scroll and lock it in with one click. You can always jump into the RenderLion editor to fine-tune your video, adjust the text-to-speech voice, update the script, or tweak the slides. But in this example, I'm showing you how to render it. Just click Render to Download to transform your preview into a high-resolution video, with music and voiceover included. I repeated this for portrait and square formats too, so I've got versions ready for every platform: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube. Rendering might take a couple of minutes depending on your video's length and complexity, but it's totally worth the wait. Once done, your video is ready to download and share, a dynamic, engaging alternative to a plain text post. And here's a bonus: RenderLion automatically creates image thumbnails for each video format. Use them in your emails, web banners, or as eye-catching graphics in your social posts. And that's it. You just turned a simple social media post into a powerful animated video. Fast, easy, and with zero editing stress. Now it's your turn to upgrade your content game. Head to RenderLion.com and start transforming your posts into video magic for free. Don't let your content go quiet in the social media jungle. Let it roar with RenderLion.